To make the Elvis sandwich, we'll first start with some white bread, some bacon, peanut butter, and a well-ripened banana. First, let's get the bacon going. Today we're using Smithfield Cherrywood smoked bacon. Historically, Elvis Presley was known to enjoy his bacon extra crispy, almost burnt, but you can cook it any way you like. It's your sandwich. Many recipes call for mashing the banana. I think that makes too much of a mess. I like to slice it lengthwise. Mary Jenkins, Elvis's personal cook, is known to toast the bread before frying. I think it crisps up just fine with just a quick sear on the pan. Use any peanut butter you wish. I like the Skippy Super Crunch for this sandwich. Marshmallow Fluff is a controversial option. Some insist on honey to add more sweetness to the banana. I like Fluff, and I think the king would approve. I think the king would appreciate the mix of butter and bacon fat for frying up this Sammy. Oh yeah, that's a hunk of crispy love. It's a heart attack on a plate, I know, but worth a yearly indulgence. And so we have it, the Elvis sandwich in honor of Elvis Presley's 90th birthday. Let's tuck into this. Let me tell you, this is a very gooey and sloppy sandwich. Gotta have some napkins handy. I can taste that peanut butter and sweet banana. Oh, it's drippy all over the place. I was hoping by letting it cool a bit it would congeal, but it's still pretty liquid. Crispiness of the bacon and the Skippy Super Crunch peanut butter. Nice contrastual texture compared to the mushy banana. Oh, this is so good. You got sweet, salty, savoriness of the bacon. Even the peanuts are a little savory. The richness of the butter, along with the added porky flavor of the bacon grease, really kicks this sandwich up a bit. I could only do this once a year. So, if you like this video and you want to see more cooking videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. Feel free to comment. Until next time, we'll see you on What I Ate.